Okay, we're hooking up the factory Tesla Lightbar and Cybertruck here. This was installed by Tesla. The wire that it connects to is in this little flap, but you have to pull this trim up to get to the wire for the Lightbar. So that's the wire on the Lightbar. There's not a lot of extra wire here, and it just kind of pinches down right there. You can see underneath the trim. I don't really love the way that wire loom is getting cut by the cover, but we'll deal with that. So we're gonna pull this up and stretch these factory wires out, make the connection, come back in a minute and have it hooked up. And we have unwrapped the factory wire lead for the power tap, and you can see that's gonna stretch to about there. And the new wires are here. So we are about 4 inches short. A little surprising that Tesla couldn't put an extra couple inches there, but they give you this little bag with a wire extension. So apparently we're supposed to couple wires here and then couple wires here to make that connection. We've got it all soldered up here, and you can see we used shrink wrap solder links on both sides. So they're soldered, watertight. So we're gonna check functionality, pull off the plastic. There's some plastic cover on the front. Pull that off, confirm they work, tuck these wires back in here, and we're done. Got it all wired up now. You can see the factory wire tucked back underneath the plastic. It's connected down in here. That's it, it's set. We've pulled off the protection. Let's go inside and check out the operation. Let's check it out on the controls here. Touch our vehicle. We go to outlets and mods, Lightbar. Scroll down for the controls, and we've got everything here. Off, ditch, which is the outer edges, flood is in the middle. You can do both, and we can adjust the brightness. Pretty cool stuff. So he's got it in off-road mode, and you can see off, hit it, functional, nice. Can you do the center? That's the center. Pretty cool. All right, let's tuck it in.